Okay, we're going to go over a quick example of finding and using the K value for the tires. The K value is, again, the circumference of the new tire divided by the circumference of the old tires. Okay, again, is that new over old is what we're going to be referring to. Now, the K is used when finding the actual mileage when you change the size of your tires, or finding your actual speed, again, when you change the size of your tires. The actual mileage is taking that K value and multiplying it times your odometer reading, how many miles you've driven since the tire change. Your actual speed, again, is that K value times whatever your speedometer says you're going, how fast your vehicle is actually traveling, okay? Or how fast your speedometer says your vehicle is actually traveling. If you install new tires that have a circumference of 66.25 inches, find the odometer reading and speedometer reading if the factory installed tires has a circumference of 73.29 inches. So now the first thing we're going to have to do is find that K value. Again, the K is going to be that new over old. So our new tires, the new tires are the 66.25 divided by the old tires, 73.29, and this will give us an approximate K value of 0.903, which again, we're going to round to that second decimal place, so we're going to get 0.90 for K. All right, and so now we're going to find, it says if the odometer reading is 2,000, you have actually traveled how many miles? So again, the actual mileage is your K times your odometer, and so that would be K, which is 0.90 times our 2,000, which is 1,800. So if our car says we've traveled 2,000 miles, given that change in tire size, we've technically only traveled 1,800 miles. Okay. If the speedometer reading is 60, your actual speed is how many miles per hour? So again, the actual speed, again, is that K times your speedometer, and so that would be 0.90 times 60, what the speedometer says, and that gives us a 54. So we are actually only going 54 miles per hour. So what happened was we had larger tires in the first place, and then put smaller tires on, and so we're actually going slower than what our car thinks we are, and so we're traveling a less distance than what our car thinks we are as well.